Okay, the people at KAIWEETS sent me out this great circuit breaker finder, and as you'll remember, we're live over here, so we want to be able to identify where the circuit is down into the basement in the main panel. So let's open this up and get this out, and we'll go find the circuit. So in this case here, we're going to plug this in right into the GFCI, okay? Okay, and there we are. We're powered on. And that's showing us a voltage on there. It's like 120 volts. And that now is going to show us that it's green and we're ready to go find the circuit down in the basement. So in this particular case here, we're going to take our wand tool and we're going to turn this on. So let's head on downstairs for this portion. Okay? So this is my main panel. And what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to swipe down each side and then go over it again and identify the circuit. So let's start going, okay? And then so again. That might be it right there. That's a 15 amp circuit. So go up here again and we'll just highlight it. It looks like it's number 15. Okay. That's what it looks like. It's going to be number 15. There it is, number 15. Number 15 in the panel. We've identified the circuit.